let's talk about the Jordan 4 Retro Thunder. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back. I am back. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Man, shock drop. Man, I can't believe your boy hit on these, man. God, your boy, when it comes to shock drop, man. Man, look, I'm making phone calls, I'm texting my partners, man, shock drop. And a few of my partners got through. Man, one of them didn't, but we're here, man. Let me know in the comment section if you got these, man. They come out next month, man, and your boy got them. Before I open this box, I had this my third pair of Jordan 4s. My first ones was the single day, the women, the all red Jordan 4s. Then I had the breads, and they were hurting my damn feet. I think I got them too small. I don't know if I got them 11 and a half. I should have never got rid of that shoe. The resale value on those is up there. I regret that, because I could have took the insole out and still rock those. But this right here, I tried them on. I think I should have went size 12, man. Your boy have a wide foot, but man, these ain't going nowhere, man. I'll take that insole out. But as you can see, the box is beautiful, man. It says Flight across the top with a yellow Jumpman, and your boy sipping again vodka. Cheers. Man, that's good. Let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that yellow inside that mug, man. Look at that. Shit. Let's go. Man, look at that. Damn. Man, this is a beautiful shoe, man. This is a beautiful shoe. Oh yeah, I got a container for you. Your boy. I got a container for you. All right. Whew. Before we get started, these are my wife's. I hit on the shock drop whenever these came out. These are the Red Thunders. And tell me which ones y'all like better. The Red Thunders or the Yellow Thunder? Which one? Man. All right, here we go. So I want to point out a few things real quick. This is nubuck material. And I gotta say, man, that nubuck is clean. God damn. Okay. Another thing I want to point out that I love about Jordan 4s is the net, man. You got the yellow in the back, and you got that black net. Man, it look nice. It brings that net out. And then you have your Jumpman Flight label right there. Your white Jumpman Flight in yellow. And then on the other side of the tongue, you have Air Jordan, other side of the tongue. White Jumpman in the back as area. Now the bottom of the shoe, you have a white Jumpman, all black with yellow up top. Yeah, man, this shoe is dope, man. This shoe is dope. I love it. I can't stop looking at it. Matter of fact, watch this. I call these Scorpion, man. These the Scorpion J's.
Get over here! Finish him! Fatality. Flawless victory.
Yeah, I love the shoe. The shoe is fire, man. The shoe is dope. And you see your boy got the hat. Your boy went to Lids in the mall. Picked up the hat to match. Then I got the shirt, family first. And then your boy got the Thunder. Your boy on fleek as usual. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.